In this video, I want to show you how to pair your Logitech mouse, that is the M550. Some of them are named the signature M550L, okay, with your iPad. So let's get started. This mouse is able to do it two different ways, but one of them is more practical than the other. So if you remove the lid over here, you're going to notice you have a USB dongle. You can use this dongle to connect it to your iPad. Unfortunately, the iPad has a USB Type-C port, so this will not fit. You'll need an adapter. And as I said, this is a bit of a hassle if you want to connect it every time. You can also use Bluetooth to make this work. So first of all, let's insert a battery in the mouse. Close the lid. And now turn on the mouse. And we need to keep press this button right over here until it blinks quickly white. So let me keep it pressed. Okay, it blinks quickly. I can release the button. Set this aside. And on the iPad, we need to go into the Bluetooth settings. So you're going to see the settings icon. Keep press on it and select Bluetooth. This will open, and under other devices, you're going to see your mouse. Tap on it. Wait a few seconds, click pair. And right away, it starts working. As you see, and you can start using it, but there's a way to customize it the way you want. So over here on the left side, you're going to click on accessibility. And then on the right side, go down, and we need to select pointer control. So these are the settings of your mouse. You can increase the contrast of the pointer, you can hide the pointer automatically. So as you see, if you're not using the mouse, it disappears, and as soon as you move it, it reappears. Maybe this is something you want, you can enable this. The color of the pointer size, and if you want a small animation, and also the scrolling speed. You can put this faster or slower. Once you're done using the mouse with your iPad, you simply have to turn it off, and this is about it. It's not working, and the next time you want to use both of these together, well, simply turn it on and the iPad will detect it, and you'll be able to use it right away. So thanks for watching. If you found my video helpful, take a moment and write a comment. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.